So currently I'm rendering, and so right now I am about to make a thumbnail for the video that I just made. Let's just custom graphic size. Yeah, we'll go 16:9 widescreen. I could search through some templates and see if I see anything that I want to remix and make my own. Let's first make this on brand. Let's see. Do I want to make it on that brand? I have 2 brands saved here. One of these will have like logo planning. Okay, yeah. I think I wanted this one. This is why file management is super important. I want to add the logo here. Go back to our Finder. Maybe. Oh, I could just drop it in. Cool. All right, so now that's in here because I definitely want that to be in here because it's in everything. I think I'm gonna actually make this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Blue pops out. I want to make it. Okay. Purple could be cool as well. Okay, so I'm gonna have that there. This is the logo, so I definitely want to kind of showcase that. Planning and budgeting made simple, and then somewhere in here I'll probably just copy this, and then I'll go Finance Fridays, because that's the name of the series. Finance Fridays. Maybe even so I'll go blue here. I would add a shadow just so I can give it some depth because there really wasn't a whole bunch of it. Okay, so Finance Fridays. I could even go 130, I think, and be okay. Okay, I could go 140 and be okay. Beautiful. All right, so we have Finance Fridays right in line with our logo. Then we have planning and budgeting made simple. And since based on what I'm looking at here with my color palette, I think the most effective way to make these 2 pop would, okay, I can't change the color at the same time, would be to simply make these guys white. And if I wanted to just draw some attention to made simple, I could go in and add a little drop shadow to, what color did I use up here? Add a little drop shadow to really bring it out. Okay, so here we go. I don't know why that filter is there. Yeah, we could do, I would even say pink. No. I would even go with that. I could go with that. And then also what I would like to do is I'm just gonna add in a layer, just like a square or something. In our basic shapes. I'm gonna drag that in between this layer and this layer. So I'm gonna click on this. And I just want to, the background is a little bright, so I just want to add just a little transparency in here to dim it and really let the title that I'm trying to get to show through shine through. So I'm gonna go and adjust the transparency here so that that purple that is really eye-catching is not so bright. Finance Fridays. Okay, I think that looks good. Download. PNG is fine. And then I'm gonna open my Finder back up. I did not save this as a name that it should have been. now I have a thumbnail. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. I have TubeBuddy installed. So I'm gonna click on, I don't even need to do any of these things actually. So I'm gonna go to create and upload video. I'm going to check on the status of my render. Okay, so I have some time left to render. So while that is getting itself together, I'm going to, because I can't make the description until I select the video to upload. So I have my thumbnail. I'm waiting for the video to upload. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting, I could just simply go to Notion and then kind of plan out what I want my description to say. So I'll likely use one of the other, excuse me, the other video descriptions for that. So I'm gonna create a new note. I'm gonna open it and YouTube template, because that is gonna bring this in here. I'm going to get rid of that and paste in my old script. So it is already filmed. I don't have to do the, actually it's already edited. So, and then when I put upload, it'll disappear from here. The live date is gonna be today, so that none of these have live dates yet because they're all kind of just like in idea planning mode. So then from there, let's see, I'm gonna just write a little brief description. Online. Oh, you know what? I wanted to add a transcript to my video. So I'm actually going to stop this render because it, would you like to, no, I would not. Cool, so that's saying that it's done. I want to add captions to my video before I upload it, so I have to let that cancel. While that's doing that, I'm gonna open that back up. Okay, so now that's ready, and then I have my QuickBooks link here, which I'll actually bring that up closer. Then I have the course and then things that people should know. So from there, I have my description. Now I just need my video. So currently, my video does not have any captions. And I want to try and do better with that. Create transcription. And on audio 1. And transcribe. I want to try and do better with putting transcription onto my videos because it will definitely help with SEO because it just has the words that are in there being said, and so because it's in the video, Google will pick up on those words and it'll tag them as like keywords and stuff, and it'll just help the algorithm in Google and SEO robots know what this video is about further than the description. So I want to do better with creating captions on my videos and just like making them small right here, just so that, you know, if you want to read them, you can. If you don't, then, you know, just kind of ignore them. All right, so then we're going to create captions. And subtitle default, right, which is I want single lines and I want a maximum, I can actually drag this up, I want a maximum of like 50 characters, minimum duration in seconds is probably 3 gaps. Okay, style none, I don't have any styles yet. I'll go in and do that. Create captions. Okay. Okay, so from here, what I like to do...
It is Finance Friday.
I don't usually... I mean, I guess that's fine. I usually don't like to have the captions on this part, but I think it's okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually just gonna go in and I'm gonna change the actual look of the words that are here. And I'm probably gonna change the color too, just so that it's okay. And then it already has a shadow. Okay, so instead of going through and doing that to every single one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this, and then, do I want it to be that big actually? 42. Okay, 42 looks good and it works for us. So from here, I can create a style, and I'm just gonna call this blue. It just sounds like football. Blue 42. And I'm gonna say okay. And then now that I have it saved, I can push this to all of the captions on the track. And so now,
Friday,
they will all
the last Finance Friday of 2022. What does Finance Friday look like for me?
I'm thinking I'm gonna have to add a background. Or I can move it down. It's just a little high up for me, and I'm uncertain if I can move the actual. Yeah, I think it's fine. All right, so now I'm going to export the video with those captions, send to Media Encoder queue. Oh, I'm actually gonna delete this one because I don't need it at all. I'm gonna rename this so I can grab that, and I'm going to rename this. Here we go. And then all of that looks good. Captions are being sent, and now we're gonna send it to the Media Encoder crew. Okay, and I think I am gonna keep it at the high adaptive bit rate. It's at 19 right now, which is okay. Let me actually look at the quality of that video before I just totally discredit it. I think adaptive is okay. Yeah. The quality is good. I was trying to determine whether I wanted to, you can actually go back in the trash now, thank you. Do HD, where is it? HD or 4K or whatever, this one. Because it's a little bit less on our file size, but I like the high adaptive bit rate and it didn't look bad, so we're just going to go okay. And now I'm gonna obviously restart the process of encoding my video and rendering it. So it's doing all of its things, and then once it starts actually writing the video, it'll pop up in this file. Yep, there it is. So when it's done, I will have my little MP4 video there, which I will, yes, I'm gonna save all of my changes. So then all I have to do once that's done rendering is come here, hit create, upload videos, drag it in, grab this description, paste it in, and then of course my thumbnail, drag it in, and then I will go through and use TubeBuddy so that I can pick my tags and all of that good stuff. And that's the workflow for this video. Until next time, my lovely.